Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power integrity because most failures are power-related. First, plug the Chromecast into the supplied 5V/1A adapter, not the TV's USB port. Once done, examine the USB cable closely for cuts, kinks, or exposed wires, and replace it with a known good cable if anything looks off. Next, move to a different wall outlet and plug the adapter directly in. Make sure no power strips or surge protectors are between the adapter and outlet. Once power is stable, force a reboot to clear firmware hangups. Press and hold the Chromecast button for 25 seconds until the LED blinks and it restarts. Then confirm the TV side. Change inputs, test a different HDMI port, or use a known good HDMI adapter or cable to rule out port faults. If the TV's remote or auto switching interferes, disable HDMI CEC in the TV settings because CEC can prevent proper handshake and keep the device from. If the device powers on but won't function, open the Google Home app and check for the Chromecast on your network, update firmware, or complete the setup flow to restore operation. If updates fail, perform a factory reset by holding the button until the LED turns orange then white and follow setup again. Finally, if there's no power or the unit never appears, swap the adapter with another Chromecast's adapter to confirm a hardware fault and pursue warranty replacement if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.